Welcome to the DWC show. In today's episode we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. We got a bunch of content to cover, so let's get right in this video, starting off with the Shiba Inu price. And Shiba Inu is continuing to go up after almost 30% correction, and right now we are in bull market. I personally bought this dip, not financial advice obviously, but for Shiba Inu is very good to see that it's going back down. Again, the price is 5 zeros followed by the 6934. It's ranked in market cap around 2.7 billion and has a trading volume of $314 million. It's a little bit lower than usually. We've been averaging around 300 to 600 million, but it's good to see that SHIB is going up again after 30% discount. Let's take a look at the past 30 days and we can see that Shiba Inu has dropped. We did see a nice parabolic run to the upside, going all the way to the 5 zeros followed by the 9174 mark, and now we are beginning to go back down. We are tested a level of support at the 615, so we do need price to hold above this level in order to Shiba Inu continue to move up. Let's take a look at past 24 hours. Shiba Inu has been going up. On their Twitter account, 144,000 followers. And we got some big news. Shiba Inu has tweeted 23rd of August, "Are you into SHIB and NFTs? Great news, you can now sell your art in OpenSea using SHIB. SHIB's utility and acceptance keep growing. Fans of Shiba Inu have a lot to cheer for today. The meme token Rapid Success is making some updates to its protocol, coupled with the developer's new announcement about using SHIB as a payment method and other announcements, which by the way we are going also to review in today's episode. The news is enough to spur chatter about the SHIB crypto. Shiba Inu is currently criticized for its lack of inherent utility. The token is not used for any specific purpose. The whole Shiba ecosystem exists only to promote the token and to help it gain value. However, some news today is showing the token could find utility as a payment method. SHIB developers are happy to announce that the token can now be used to purchase NFTs. Through the Shiba token Twitter, devs are breaking news that SHIB is an accepted payment method for NFTs on OpenSea. Of course, users can also sell their NFTs and earn more SHIB as well. The news is quite good for the token. OpenSea is one of the largest and most popular NFT sales platforms, which will allow the token to see vast exposure. Alright, that's it about that. The fact that Shiba continues making updates to its protocol is great. I personally hope that we should be seeing even more updates to its protocol, which will increase asset utility and price as well. While almost a week ago El Salvador accepted Bitcoin as legal tender, now we have SHIB as a payment method on a shop in Nepal. Wow, SHIB is accepted as a way of payment on a shop in Nepal. Well, I would ask, how many crypto coins has been accepted by companies worldwide like SHIB? That is confidence. Our electronic shops in Baklun, Nepal is now accepting SHIB as form of payment. If you would like to purchase on it of our products from Samsung, Skywars, etc., you can now pay them with Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. Thank you. We have some important updates for those who have bought SHIB on Shiba Swap. Major incentive for all SHIB holders. We are receiving 14.5 million Ryoshi each week for 20 weeks. That gives each a balance of 290 million Ryoshi. Now imagine when Ryoshi hits 1 cent. I love the SHIB ecosystem. We have been more quiet as usual. Last Twitter post and news directly from the team. Shitoshi Hair is playing in part Y. From the devs, Shitoshi Kusama shares on the official Discord. We'll be providing updates, working on document that breaks down internal workings of SHIB close to the release of NFTs. Updates coming to the swap, working on restructure. Then the army will see the what I'm do and why. But I'm almost done. It's tricky because we are building a true decentralized unit. I see this. I'm working on document that breaks down the internal workings of SHIB. Just need time to organize. I have to restructure first. More importantly, I'll give updates soon. I hate to say trust, but yes, it's all coming. I think we are close to the release of our NFTs and they look amazing. I'm excited. Updates coming to swap soon too. And one other feature I think is very needed. Things are on track, but it can't be in go mode 24 hours per 7, but trust, we are working on it all. So there's actually a plan which can help improve utility and increase Shiba price as well. Let's take a look what whales doing right now with SHIB. Top 10 whales holding more than 80% of SHIB, where top 100 whales holding 90% of SHIB. Right now whales are continuing to hold, and so if no other one whale sells, then we should expect Shiba Inu is continuing to move up. The price of coins obviously of huge percentage whale holding cryptocurrency and continue to buy, and obviously coins, if the whales get smaller, there will be less manipulation in price, which means the price is going to go down, but the pro is as the whales not be selling, meaning we should be seeing some parabolic growth coming from Shiba Inu. Difference between buy and sell top 10 biggest whales indicates that over past 24 hours the whales have bought even more. Let's take a look closer at the whales. We can see number 1 whale Afterburn Wallet, of course, has sold almost 41 billion, number 5 has sold almost 125, almost 62 billion, number 5 whale bought 125 billion, number 9 and 10 whale bought 72 and 43 billion. We got also some selling whales, it's number 13 and 15, sold 51 and 108 billion. On their Ether scan, number of holders also continue to go up. We have 646,000 holders already, which is about 0.058% more than yesterday, which is good. Just before we get into technical analysis, I'm going to ask you guys like the video and leave a comment. It really does help out with the YouTube channel. Let's take a look at the chart and see what's going on this kind. Let's take a look at the chart and see what's going on. Starting with the daily time frame, today you can see the completion of the correction of the area of 615, and now we are currently heading to the level 735. A slight downward movement will follow from it, after which, if it's broken and consolidated above, we will be seeing further movement in the direction of 870 and higher. Now the price really needs to hold above this level in order for Shiba Inu continue to move upwards. So we expect this kind of price movement. When we saw a breakthrough of the level of the K structure level, which is the level here, level 735, we expect a retest of this level and then the continuation of the upward movement. In case of an successful attempt to gain a foothold of the resistance level of 735, we should expect a down price for the test of 700 and the price moves up to continue upward movement. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. We can see that testing at 735, we really need price to stay above this level in order to stay safe in this bull market. However, if quotes fall below that level, we should expect the Shiba Inu to continue to this line all the way to 610 and Shiba Inu will return to this bear market. Obviously, it's not financial advice. In this video you'll find more important updates and technical analysis about SHIB. I hope you enjoy it. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about Shiba Inu and see you in the next video.